Sorry about that, guys. I'm trying to fix this frame rate. I was dropping about 2,000 frames. That's right, guys. Immediately out of the Reaper into AC-130. Got him in the face with the 40mm. Did I just hit a stove bomb? And then immediately after that, alright guys, this is my very first Osprey gunner I've ever gotten. And even with all this air support, my team still didn't even go for the defusal. They just stayed back and let themselves lose. Alright guys, let me know if you want some more mobs or offsprees or whatever. I can't guarantee I'll get another mob. That might be the only one I will ever get for the rest of my life, but I can go for it. And 33 and 5, that's pretty good. That was when I was at level 19. Level 19 just unleashed all that air support upon them. Alright guys, peace out.